Okay, fast forward technology here. So, started this at 11 o'clock today. It's now 3:30 in the afternoon. Did my second soak around 1, so it's already 2 hours in on the second soak. So, I got my oil pan out here. We're going to change the oil. I'm going to throw in some basic Fram high mileage. And then I might change it. I'm thinking about changing the oil a second time. Just, just for peace of mind. That's why I got some cheap oil. Fram isn't. But anyway. So I gotta go ahead and I gotta put I gotta use my air nozzle, blow out the cylinders, make sure there's no fluid left in the cylinders. Put the spark plugs back in, put the coil packs back in. But I already took the dipstick out. I started unthreading this for you guys. So let's see what we got. This has been on here 5,000 miles since I did it. Wow, look how much is in there. That's a lot. And that's why we did the piston soak. Because that's how much blow by, and that's how much all that is going through your intake, by the way. So the oil catch can prevented that much to go through your intake and create more crud and more buildup that you don't need. So is this little stainless steel guy needed in here? I don't know. It's in there. Is there crud below it? Nothing that I can really see. But yeah, that was quite a bit. Anyway, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this back on two-handed. Maybe. Lucky. There's still some oil on the ring there. It's fine thread, so it's like you got to turn it like 100 freaking times. Yeah, so there's the hose routing just under the intake. There's your PCV. There's your other end of it. This was hard when I went to get it off. It's been on there for, like 3 months and 5,000 miles. I'll just give it a little snug turn. Stick the dipstick back in. Clean up your mess. Okay, that's done. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of this put together process. Drain the oil. I did put a new air filter in it because it's got like 50,000 plus miles on it. I do have a new fresh battery for it since that one is bad. Alright, let's get to work here and putting this all back together and then try and start it up. It's going to be a rough start. It's going to smoke because you're getting rid of all that. You're burning off all the solvent material from the bearings. So it's going to be an angry car for the first like 30 minutes. And then after that it should clear up and it should run great.